Welcome to your 7th week. This week we're going to look at feature stories. Feature stories are really important as a popular journalistic format, but they're also important because you're going to have to write one. For your second reporter assignment, which you will receive soon, you're going to have to write a feature story, and I expect you to apply some of what you've learned this week, so make sure you're paying attention. And speaking of reporter assignments, remember that reporter assignment number 1 is due on Monday, this Monday. So after I post this video for the overview on Sunday, it's due the next day. Make sure you're turning these in on time. Moving on to this week, you are going to be reviewing your first reporter assignment in groups. So I'm going to be assigning you to groups that you're going to work with for the rest of the semester. And then within these groups, you're going to give each other feedback on your first reporter assignment. There are instructions on Brightspace D2L under the assignment entitled Peer Review. Make sure that you do these. This is also why I'm having you, I have a firm deadline. Well, part of the reason why I have a firm deadline for your reporter assignments, because you need to get these done right after you turn in your reporter assignments. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to share your work with someone in your group. You're going to give feedback and also get feedback. So also this week, you're going to have your next AP style lesson on names and ages. You should by now know that news involves people usually, and you're going to have to write people's names, and you're going to have to write their ages. So learn how to do this in that AP style lesson. You're going to have a discussion in which I ask you to find a good feature story. Just be prepared. Feature stories do tend to be longer, so just give yourself time to find a good one. Look for feature stories in major newspapers, often have them. The one I provide is from the New York Times, but also news magazines will have them. Just be prepared for that. You won't have a writing exercise this week because you're going to have your peer reviews. So that's taking place of your writing exercise. So what you have to do this week is the lessons, two Nearpod lessons, your peer reviews, and your discussion board.